Esteemed colleagues, distinguished faculty, and aspiring surgeons, it is with great enthusiasm that I invite you to the 9th Shalamar International Conference and Shalamar Surgical Symposium, a platform where innovation meets practice and knowledge transforms into surgical excellence. Building on the resounding success of our previous gatherings, this year's symposium will continue to push boundaries, focusing on bridging theory with practice across various surgical specialties. From bariatric surgery to robotic assisted procedures, from hepatobiliary to endocrine and oncological surgery, we aim to showcase cutting edge advancements, real world case discussions, and hands on learning opportunities. This is more than just a conference, it is a convergence of minds, collaborative effort to refine surgical education. This will optimize patient outcomes and explore the evolving role of AI and robotics in modern surgery. We welcome surgeons, residents, medical students, and healthcare professionals to engage in a thought-provoking discussions, more than 30 workshops, and more than 15 sessions, and networking sessions will be available for all of the audience with renowned experts from around the globe. Whether you are here to learn, contribute, or shape the future of surgery, this symposium promises an unparalleled experience. Join us at the Shalamar Institute of Health Sciences, Lahore, as we embark on journey of surgical excellence. See you there.